On the Hobo road, I roam alone. Stars above that are far.
Welcome back, my whisker-weathered wanderers, my beard-bound boulevard mystics, my follicle-forged philosophers of the forgotten curb. Hobo Yeti here from a bench of questionable engineering near a laundromat where one sock spins eternally alone and a crow is inspecting a sandwich with graduate-level seriousness. Today we discuss a matter of grave importance, ancient importance, deeply fuzzy importance, the homeless beard. Not every homeless man has one, of course. Some remain gloriously clean-shaven, faces shining in defiance of chaos. But many a traveler, many a sidewalk scholar, many a bus stop druid has discovered that somewhere between hardship and Tuesday, a beard quietly enters the chat. And what is a beard, really? Hair, yes, but also insulation, camouflage, a curtain of mystery, a portable mood, a face blanket woven by time itself. Let us honor the chin forest and the practical nonsense it provides. 1. The beard adds instant authority. A clean-shaven man says perhaps he has a plan. A bearded man says perhaps he knows where berries grow in February. There is no logic to this, yet civilization keeps believing it. Add enough beard and suddenly strangers assume you understand weather patterns, knot tying, and the emotional life of crows. I have seen men ignored for months, then respected the moment their jawline vanished beneath determined foliage. A beard can turn ordinary confusion into the appearance of rugged insight. Sometimes wisdom is just hair with confidence. 2. The beard keeps your face warm. Winter is rude, wind is ruder. A beard is not a furnace, but it is a polite suggestion to the cold that your cheeks are occupied. Every little bit helps when the air feels personally offended by your existence. No, it will not replace proper shelter or layers, but when that icy breeze arrives like an unpaid bill collector, it is comforting to know your chin brought a sweater. Survival is often a game of small advantages stitched together by stubbornness. 3. The beard hides your emotions. This is priceless. Maybe you are cheerful. Maybe you are furious. Maybe you just watch someone put ketchup on eggs and need time to process. With enough beard, the lower half of your reaction becomes classified information. Civilization cannot read what it cannot see. The beard creates diplomatic distance between your feelings and the public. Privacy is rare. Facial shrubbery helps. 4. The beard stores dramatic crumbs. A beard is history's scrapbook, tiny traces of lunch, snack evidence, the occasional breadcrumb with nowhere else to go. Is this glamorous? No. Is it strangely practical in a world where calories matter? We ask no difficult questions. Now, to be clear, hygiene still matters. We are joking near the edge of truth, not endorsing a granola archive under the chin. But every beard has, at some point, briefly hosted a memory. 5. The beard improves your nickname potential. Nobody whispers, "There goes Smooth Cheek Larry." But Beard Wolf, Sidewalk Merlin, Captain Bristles, now we are building legend. A beard adds branding whether requested or not. Life can be harsh. Sometimes morale comes from absurd things. If your circumstances are rough, being known as the moss-jawed oracle is at least spiritually useful. 6. The beard discourages nonsense. Some people look for easy targets. A serious beard complicates their calculations. It suggests unpredictability. It hints at hidden opinions about axes and moon phases. Again, not always true, but appearances often do half the talking. You may be holding nothing but a sandwich and sore feet, yet the beard says there may be chapters to this story you do not wish to skip into recklessly. 7. The beard saves shaving trouble. Razors cost money. Water takes effort. Mirrors tell lies in bad lighting. A beard simply removes one recurring chore from an already crowded list of nonsense. That alone earns respect. When life is difficult, reducing maintenance matters. If your face can handle itself for a while, let it contribute to the team. 8. The beard makes waiting look intentional. Standing around with no beard can look like loitering. Standing around with a beard can look like contemplating civilization's collapse. Same man, same sidewalk, completely different genre. A beard transforms idle time into philosophy. Suddenly you are not waiting for the bus. You are considering whether buses are a metaphor. 9. The beard pairs well with hats. Beanie, brimmed hat, hood, watch cap, all improved by a beard. Together they create the timeless silhouette of a man who may know 3 shortcuts and 1 ancient warning. The face becomes landscape. Some combinations are so powerful, you can feel yourself becoming a side quest in someone else's day. 10. The beard reminds you time is passing. Hair grows quietly, inch by inch, week by week, like a calendar made of stubborn protein. In unstable seasons, that matters. It marks endurance. It says you have continued despite weather, nonsense, and the occasional pigeon with bad manners. Sometimes the beard is not vanity at all. Sometimes it is proof you are still here. So yes, the homeless beard may be ridiculous. It may be itchy, uneven, dramatic, and occasionally home to crumbs with opinions. But it is also practical theater, accidental symbolism, and one of the few accessories issued freely by existence. Grow one or don't, shave one or don't. But respect the humble beard, scarf of the chin, curtain of mystery, badge of surviving another strange week. I hope your road is a good one, and if you're homeless, I hope it doesn't suck for you. And remember, if life gets rough, at least your face can become a legend. Take care. If you want to support Hobo Road and help keep me talking thoughtfully into the void, hit the links in the description or on the channel page. You can use PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or Patreon. You can also join the membership for $1.99 a month for loyalty badges and custom emojis to use in your comments. You also get highlighted profiles in live chats. You can pick up The Weight of Silence, the Homeless Survival Handbook ebook, or the audiobook on Google Play. There's merch as well. Every dollar helps keep the lights on, the batteries charged, and the road going.